invite all my friends to have a tour with me for JLH, who is world's largest sewing machine manufacturer. Their capacity is to produce more than 2,000 machines per month. Let's join me to have this wonderful trip. This is JLH reception. Huge admin block, 3 floors. Lot of design people, R&D people, purchase people, everybody sits here. Now we come to small meeting area, and we are entering to the sewing experience center. Here, lot of machines are kept for testing. All machines are here for testing. You can see huge investment, all equipment ready for testing any point of time. Max series, new HJ series. These machines are available here anytime for cutting tests. Sewing machine storage system. Standard room with dice, CMM, very good. All important parts are checked here. All important critical parts. Accuracies are maintained in microns, 2 microns, 3 microns, 4 microns. Now we are coming to circular plate saw factory. You can see this is assemble area for circular plate saw. Huge capacity. And here, proudly the first machine is cut by circular saw, 160 thickness. World only company who is making 160 thickness circular plate saw cutting. You can see the machine. It's wonderful, amazing. The technology maker, the developer of machine. Here is the store area where thousands of machines are kept. 2-floor store area. And now we are entering to the circular saw machine assembly line. You can see huge assembly line. Machines are made like car assembly. JLH has developed a unique storage system. 5 million parts are inside and it's automatically operated. Only 2 people operate whole storage system. You can see it's wonderful, and we sell this also. We can sell to you, to your organizations. Amazing. 5 million parts, 2 people are handling. Amazing store management system. Now we come to small machine assembly circular plate saw. Up to 2 meter width, we have machines here. You can see many machines are in process. Many machines, automatic and semi-automatic bandsaw line. So you see here also bandsaw machines are assembled in line like car assembly. Many machines, almost 40 machines ready per day. 40 machines per day achieved, assembled and dispatched to store and customers. So machine, throw machine. 40 machines per day finished. Starting, we have come to the assembly area of bigger machines. 2 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter. You can see here a machine 1.2 meter. So this area is dedicated to big machine assembly. Bigger machine. You can see lot of work happening here. Produced in batches. You can see here batch of 15-20 machines finished. And here special projects. having a special machine. These are the special machine. Both sides miter vertical. And this area is special machine made for special projects. This is going to Korea. And I will show you another amazing machine. This machine is aluminum plate cutting machine. 3 heads, very fast speed. So you can cut horizontally, you can cut vertically. SPM machine, special machine. So JLH do lot of special things, like vertical. We are into machine shop. I guarantee you will not find second factory who is having these high-tech machines in machine shop. 5 Akuma plano millers, huge. All machine, complete machine body made in one setting. 5 Akuma plano millers. Wonderful machining facility. 25 DMG Morisiki machining centers. So all parts, complete machine part from pin to everything, gearbox made here. This is a unique thing. All machining, all parts manufacturing in-house. So great control on quality. And just to summarize my visit, I am proud to have distributor partner for Indian market for this wonderful company. 92 acres, 2,000 machines per month, world leader, world largest sewing company manufacturer, and the best quality machines. So I am happy to be partner of it. And I invite Mr. Ethan Lee, brother Ethan Lee, who is owner of JLH, and we are working together to conquer the world market. World sewing leader, no doubt.